Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today comparing the battery charge times on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the Insta360 One R. This is how the charging curve looks like on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. There is an initial period when the battery charges faster, accepting about 1.1 amps. This goes for about 50 minutes, and the battery is 76% charged after that. The 80% of a complete charge are achieved after 52 minutes and 40 seconds. And the battery on the GoPro Hero 8 Black is completely charged after 1 hour 46 minutes and 30 seconds. Here you may see the charging curve for the battery of the Insta360 One R. In the initial phase, the battery takes between 1.6 and almost 1.8 amps. Given that this is a battery with a rated capacity of 1.2 amps, it is charging considerably above the 1C value. This usually results in a reduction in the lifespan of the battery cells. This fast charging period lasts for about half an hour, and the battery is then 76% charged. The 80% of a total charge are completed after impressive 32 minutes. The battery on the Insta360 One R charges really fast. The full capacity is reached after 1 hour and 5 minutes. This is quick, but as I said before, not necessarily healthy for the battery.